All right, so somebody sent me a video last week from a big business channel, right? They have over 813,000 subscribers. And the whole thing is about why car rentals is the worst business that you can start. And if we're talking about Hertz or if we're talking about hosting on Turo, honestly, they're not wrong. But I built a car rental business that does over $1 million a year out of my warehouse with cars that I bought cash, right? And then later on built up to like exotic cars. So there's clearly a version of this business they didn't reanalyze. All right. So back in 2019, guys, I locked in one thing, all in, heads down. And in this video, I'm giving you guys the whole arc, how I got my first customer with just one text message, the exact model that makes the math work, right? What my mistakes cost me so they never cost you, and how it compounded to over 7 figures. So let's get right into it, guys. First off, guys, act 1, right? Locking in and customer number 1, all right? So let me define what I mean when I say locked in, because I didn't just bolt myself inside of my bedroom, right? Guys, I picked one thing and I went all in on it, right? While everyone else was juggling 5 side hustles, my students stayed locked in. And that's what it means, right? One thing all the way. Next, it started with 0 customers and I had 0 reputation. So I sent messages to everybody that I knew, every contact in my phone. I'm like, hey, I started doing car rentals, right? You can pause this video right now and steal this. Send something like this, like, hey, it's Mike. Quick heads up, I just started renting out cars. Clean, reliable, way cheaper than getting it from Enterprise. If you or anybody you know ever needs one, call me first. Guys, that message cost nothing and it built my whole business. My first customer came off of that blast, right? It was a referral. A guy who used to flip sneakers, rented one of my cars for 3 to 4 days, brought it back just fine, and that was the moment. So guys, once you catch that first high from the first renter renting out your first car, it's game on. After that, it was just handshakes, right? I printed out literally MTB exotic t-shirts and business cards. And I walked from business to business, barbers, small shops, telling people what I do. There's no ads, no website. It was just referrals and word of mouth, guerrilla marketing essentially. And that stuff stacked one at a time. So here's the principle, right? Your first market is already on your phone, right? You don't need marketing to get customer number 1. You just need a text message and the nerve to actually hit the send button on your phone. Typically, your first week is gonna look like you just going out there knocking on doors, right? And don't forget, I was still working another job. And so I would take some time like on after work, I'll just take an extra hour or so on the weekends and I'm just going visiting these small businesses in my area, letting them know what I do, just shaking hands and kissing babies, right? And typically it would be after work, just 1 or 2 extra hours. And that was it, guys. Now, let's jump into Act 2, the model that makes it all work for you guys. Here's what the big channel that reviewed the car rental industry got, right? And it took me time to see it. Corporate rentals is brutal. I mean, billions in debt over their fleet, airport real estate that they have to lease out, and they have very super thin margins, right? And also Turo is thin also, right? Don't forget, guys, the customer pays them almost like $140 to $200 for a day for a car. Meanwhile, you, the owner of the car, the host, you're barely seeing like 80 to 84 bucks of that. And that's if you're like on their 70-30 or 60-40 plan, right? On a platform that could ban you tomorrow. They analyzed 2 models, the YouTube channel, and they just stopped right there. There's a third one, guys, and it's the one that I built. And here's exactly how it works. Piece by piece. First off is going to be the car. I always tell you guys on this channel, start off one economy car anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. Bought cash if you can, or using a low interest credit card. Ideally, you want to go with like the Toyotas, the Hondas, right? The Chevys, cars like that, like clean title only, no salvage, no rebuild titles. And before you buy, throw the exact year and model into ChatGPT and ask it for common problems with this car. Then you go pay anywhere from $100 to $150 for what they call a pre-purchase inspection. You have your mechanic go out there and do a pre-purchase inspection so you don't end up buying a lemon. Second is the setup. Commercial insurance that starts typically around $60 to $130 a month, depending on how you route it, right? Then you want your Jeeps trackers in the cars. Those will cost you about $10 to $15 per month. You need rental software. It's non-negotiable. I use Fleet Finesse. It starts at about $97 a month. All in with the car, you're on the road for about $5,000 for the purchase of the car, and just give or take anywhere from $300 to $400 extra on top of that, right? All in for all these expenses that you have to incur that I just mentioned. Next is you need the renter, gig workers. That's who we're going after, your Uber, your Lyft, your DoorDash drivers, whose car is is their paycheck, right? They don't rent for a weekend. They're renting for months, and they will pay you weekly, anywhere from $300 on the low end to as high as I've seen $700 in Vegas a week, depending on your market, right? Now, where do they come from? The text blast that you just stole, body shops, walking with pizza and carts. Their customers need rentals for weeks, and insurance will often pay for that. And Facebook Marketplace with clean photos, posted daily, answer in minutes once they reach out to you. Now, here's the math. The one car nets you anywhere from $1,000 to $1,600 a month on average, right? I've seen people go over that depending on your market, right? And pays for itself. So these cheap cars will pay for themselves within 3 to 5 months. Now, you don't have the fleet debt like they mentioned in the video. You don't have the airport leasing space that you have to incur if you're the big enterprise big boys like Hertz and Avis. There's no platform taking up to 35-40% of your money if you're on Turo or some other platform. Instead, you own the platform. You own the book of business. You keep 100% of the money. Business isn't good or bad. The model is, and the model they reviewed was the wrong ones to use, right? It's the same industry, but there's 3 different models, and only one has margins worth waking up for. Look, if you guys want my help building your own version of this, click the first link in the description and book a strategy call. Straight up. Same thing I always say. I don't know you from a can of paint, so I can't guarantee you'll make a single dollar, and nobody honestly can. My students average 22 days to their first private booking, and the deal is simple. Information on us, executions on you. If you've got the credit or cash to start and you're coachable, book the call right now and let me save you the tuition that I had to pay just to learn this industry. All right, now let's talk about it. Act number 3, the tuition and what to do instead. Locking in doesn't mean I got everything right. No, guys, I paid tuition to this business twice, and both receipts are yours for free, guys. Tuition payment number 1. I spent $4,500 on digital billboards all across the Dallas-Fort Worth area, right? And it cost me right around $4,500 a month for 20 to 30 spots. I got 0 customers, right? At the end of the day, and here's what I learned from it. Billboards are what they call brand awareness marketing. And that's for the big boys like Coca-Cola and all of that stuff, guys. And also, a guy speeding doing like 50 to 80 miles an hour on the highway isn't writing down your number or remembering your company name while he's speeding past on that billboard, right? Here's what to do instead, all right? Do what they call direct marketing only, all right? Every dollar and every hour goes where somebody needs a car today, not brand awareness, all right? So you're spending your marketing dollars or time going to the body shops, using the Facebook Marketplace listings, right? Or the gig to reach the gig worker whose car just died last night, all right? If they don't need a car today, you're burning money, all right? So you don't want to be going after people that maybe need a car sometime in the next year. You want people that needed a car yesterday. Tuition payment number 2 that I'm going to save you guys is the unprotected years, all right? Guys, I lost my Corvette. My Rolls Royce got hit. I lost an insurance claim outright because my rental contract wasn't on point. And that kind of mistake is a $5,000 hit that erases a good month. Here's what to do instead. And I want you guys to do this before your first rental, not after your first disaster. A real rental contract on every rental, commercial insurance on every car, PS with a kill switch on every car, and screening on every renter, right? All of those things. Get a valid license, proof of income, a deposit, a card on file. All right, these are non-negotiables. All right, the person in that video, in that YouTube video, sees these risks and calls the business rotten, right? The operator builds the protection and keeps the profit. Now, here's the principle. This business doesn't punish risk. It punishes being unprotected. All right, fix that on day 1, and this business gets boring in the best way. Act 4. Here's how it compounded to $1 million. From there, it was never one big break. It was the same boring math on repeat. First car's profit bought the second one, the second and bought the third, and then bought the fourth. Cars by cars. The fleet climbed up market into luxuries and exotics over time for me because that was always my goal from day 1. And the relationships that I'd established compounded with it. My mechanic watched the business for years. Then he went and bought himself a white G-Wagon on my advice. And guess what? He put it in my fleet. All right. He's got his payments covered, and we got a car that we didn't even pay for. All right. So guys, the last piece was systems and staff, right? So cars go out while I sleep. That took years. And it's It's what turned a hustle into a full-blown company right now, right? Today, we're a five-star reviewed company on Google with over 200 plus five-star reviews. All of that contributed to that, where we're at right today. So the business as of today runs anywhere between $70,000 to $100,000 a month, over $1 million in a year, built inside the same exact industry that the video says nobody can win in. Principle, guys. You prove it with one car, then let the cars buy the other cars. Process first, capital second, right? Capital added to broken processes, guys, just loses money a whole lot faster. So that's what came out of Lock It In for me personally. One text message, one sneaker flipper who brought the car back on time, $5,400 car all in, two expensive mistakes that you now get for free. And also, guys, a model the smartest business channels on YouTube still haven't even analyzed. They're right about Hertz and they're right about Turo. They just never met the third model. All right, now, let me be straight with you guys about something. On this channel, I only give away about 20 to 30% of what I know. And it's enough to build this on your own if you grind it out and take a bunch of L's. The other 70 to 80% lives only inside of my mentorship, right? Not in the comments on my YouTube channel. And it's the part that protects your money while you're building. The exact commercial insurance providers that I use, because you just heard what happened when mine wasn't on point. My rental screening system, all right? Access to dealer wholesale auctions. My team building out your website in just 3 to 5 business days. And me and my coaches on live calls looking at your market, your money, and your next move, helping you scale to the next level. So if you want the full system, click the link in the description and fill out the application. Only takes about 60 seconds. Then book your strategy call with my team. Over 2,500 students are currently running this. And on average, they get their first private booking within 22 days. Guys, you need to have decent credit or cash ready to invest. And you need to be coachable. My mentorship is not free. Also, you need to have the resources to be able to get into the car rental business in the first place. And if you're skeptical of guys like me on the internet, that's good. Skepticism is actually health. So don't take my word for anything. Full free course is actually on this channel. Click the card on the screen, guys. Build your first car off of it for free. And then come back when the deposits start hitting your bank account and you see that Mike isn't just BSing you, all right? If this gave you value, I want you to hit the like and subscribe button. I'm trying to get up to 30,000 subscribers, so help me with that, guys. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next one.